total process they maneuver. ARIMA. Old data set, compare the pattern, new data set. Last Friday, 20,000 piece utensils sold. So this Friday, my sale will be around 20,000, not 2,000. So accordingly, inventory is prepared. Understood? And you will amazed to see that a company like Amazon, if they say that after 2 days they will deliver the product, it will be delivered after 2 days or before 2 days, not after 25 days. There is a software, inventory management and procurement, their software works. It's not very easy because it's not your shoe or your coat. It is about 2 lakh shoes and 30 lakhs coat to deliver in no less than 20 lakhs different destination in India, from different inventory house, different warehouse with different logistics. Imagine the volume. It's a volume game. It's no game like in your pada. মুদির দোকান থেকে একটু চাল নিয়ে এলাম। No concept of like that. It's a very big game. Then churn rate forecasting. That's most important. Determine the likelihood of customer discontinuation their use of product or service. If you are very much annoyed with the company, then the chances that you will be churn out. You will not be the loyal customer. And this company always understand, because whenever you send any complaint, mail or something of that sort, company came to know that you are an annoyed customer. SVM logistic regression will give you the desired result and your pattern, how important customer you are, because they have got your total data. They will analyze and they will see the pattern of your buying and your spending pattern, and immediately company will come that big offer for you only. Verizon, telecom giant, could predict churn by examining factors like drop rate, customer service interaction, and change in monthly bill amount. Verizon took the decision using this software. Verizon changed the company's business policy as well as change the sales figure. And you will find that in India, Airtel is doing this, and Jio is also doing this. The moment they will get the whiff that you are changing from Jio to others, they will call you up and give you more data. So, what do you think? This is very simple? No. Behind this, always a software works. Customer segmentation. Grouping customer based on a shared characteristics, behavior or preferences. Here plays the role of hierarchical clustering and K-means clustering, because you have to cluster your data or your customers and see their behavior pattern, and see their purchasing pattern, see their buying pattern, and according to you will take the action. More targeted and personalized marketing leading to better customer segment and increased sales. At the end of the day, your target is to increase your sales, nothing else. So there are different ways machine learning apps plays. Be it in supervised, be it in this category like supervised learning or unsupervised learning or unsupervised learning or reinforcement learning. Algorithm may differ, but at the end of the day, their target is to increase sales. Yes or no? Here plays the most vital role. Predictive analytics. Nowadays, this predictive analytics is very important, because you have to predict the behavior of the customer. That's why you can increase your sales or retain your customer. Potential future events like sales trend, customer behavior, market change, and proactive business decisions, using linear regression and decision tree. Both are supervised machine learning. Regression, basically regression analysis. And if you see the regression analysis or binary x, y, this card, few data upside, few data lower side. So you will understand that which factor is most important, and accordingly Walmart refines the store inventory planning approach by scrutinizing historical sales patterns, factoring seasonal change and local events and promotion. You will see that maybe in Chennai, what promotions or emotional promotions and events are going on, that is not be available in Kolkata or Agartala. But in Kolkata and Agartala, whatever may be the promotional events are going on, that may not be available in Bombay, because they are predicting in which way this, or in which country, in which section, in where in India we need which promotion plan for which time. Say for example, during Puja, the promotional plan in Eastern India is quite different than Western India. Once again, during Ganesh Puja, the promotional plan of Western India is quite different than Eastern India. This is only because of company's policy, linear regression and decision tree. Chatbots and virtual assistant. Everybody knows chatbots and virtual assistant. But behind this, somebody told NLP and sequence to sequence model. So these are maybe the low automated tasks, but still virtual agents, chatbots, they may help sometimes for few simple or generic questions. Ad targeting. Most relevant advertisement users how? Which user want to see which ad? For this, logistic regression and decision tree plays the important role. It will, from the churn on the raw data, they will came out with the solution or outcome that this particular ad or these particular customers like this type of ad. So this type of promotional ad will be pushed to that type of customers, and different type of customers will get different type of ad. Whether we like every ad, no. Somebody like to see cricket, so he or she likes to see ad related to cricket, and somebody likes to see football. For him or her, football related ad is okay. Somebody is avid lover of cigarette, so he or she likes to see the ad of cigarettes. Yes or no? So how can a company will understand that who wants what? Correct. That is the pattern matching. There. No, that is the most important concept. Jasale said. This is basically pattern matching. So the most important question is that the most favorite and the highest earning advertisement in India was any guess? কোন ইন্ডিয়ান অ্যাড মনে পড়ছে যেটা প্রচন্ড বিখ্যাত ছিল? এখন অতটা বিখ্যাত নেই, years back also. That changed the company's profile. That is Will's filter made for each other. That was Will's filters made for each other. Cigarette ad. ওই অ্যাডের জোরে Will's filter কেন তখন কিন্তু অন্যান্য অনেক কোম্পানি ছিল যারা হেরে গেল। So another ad I must tell you that the soap is not very good, but the ad was fantastic. For that matter, the soap sales figure all time high. Any idea? Very near. Lux is also very good, but it was little. Bimal Pan Masala. That's good. Bimal Pan Masala, but it's current days ad. Good. Good.
What drink?
What drinks?
Drink.
Have you seen? Then
Alcohol.
have you seen alcohol products ad? My God, in India, you are way ahead of time. Son, where from you have come? Son, where from you have come? Philadelphia. Oh, sorry. I'm mistaken. Okay, let's see. Website content optimization. Dynamically adjust the content of the website. When our younger days, when we used to study computer, then our challenge was static website, dynamic website. We used to learn. What to learn? Then people are saying that learn HTML. Then HTML, no. It is static. Then JavaScript. Then told VBScript. Then say Ajax. Likewise, it goes on and on. Nowadays, dynamically website content creation is the most important. And for that matter, there are so many softwares like you need not to crack your head. It will give you the idea. But that is also based on reinforcement learning. Tell me about reinforcement learning. Tell me, little bit. He is quite right, but little extra. Hope that you have something more to say because you have come from other parts. Yeah, like this. আমরা যখন তাস খেলি তখন আমাদের কাছে জ্ঞান থাকে না, আমরা প্রত্যেকটা ভুলের মাধ্যমে জানতে শিখি যে এই ভুলটা করবো না, ট্রাম্পের পরে ওভার ট্রাম্পটা দেওয়া যাবে না, এটা করা যাবে না। তাহলে এটা হচ্ছে রিইনফোর্সমেন্ট, আমরা শিখি। ঠিক বলেছো, ইউ আর রাইট, কোয়াইট রাইট। সো রিইনফোর্সমেন্ট লার্নিং, the New York Times used machine learning to enhance user experience by gathering content display. New companies are coming, they will also give you the option that which type of content do you like. In fact, I'll show you. Nike says that choose your own shoes. You choose. Change your own shoes. Change. This option, not only choice, change. Dynamically change. Customization. World famous Nike. So that is the example of reinforcement learning. Generative AI. Now comes generative AI. Producing unique and fresh content. So far as machine learning is concerned, works with data and the pattern. Generative AI, it is quite different. Generative AI. It consists of a generator and discriminator that work together, realistic, distinctive. Have you read machine learning? No. Which year? You are from? Second year. Fourth year, anybody? Fourth year? Third year? Sixth semester. There is a machine learning. No. Seventh semester. So, in case of generative AI, there is two factors: generator and discriminator. Generator creates data which is lookalike, and discriminator tries to find which data is fake and which is real. Understood? Not exactly. I hope so. I went to Delhi. One such job, one such trip, I used to have. I used to go rather Delhi quite a number of time. Then I went to Karol
I
Bagh,
went
the
to
famous
Karol Bagh,
Karol
the
Bagh,
famous Karol Bagh,
and I found
and I found
a very
a very
good
good
looking
looking
jacket of
jacket
Nike,
of Nike,
very attractive,
very attractive,
with with
with
at least
with
a
at
reasonable
least a
price.
reasonable
I
price.
got it.
I got it.
Then back to
Then
Calcutta,
back to Calcutta,
and one day I went to
and one
Park
day I
Street.
went to Park Street.
There is a Nike
There is a
showroom.
Nike showroom.
I wore that
I wore
Nike
that
and
Nike
went to this
and
shop
went to this shop
and boost myself
and boost
and
myself
told them
and told them
that,
that,
see, you
see,
have got a
you have
Nike
got a
of
Nike
6,000
of
something.
6,000
I have got a
something. I
Nike
have got a
of 1200.
Nike of 1200.
The sales boy was
The
very
sales
smart.
boy was very smart.
The sales boy came
The
and
sales
told,
boy came
yes,
and
sir.
told, yes,
I
sir.
appreciate.
I
He
appreciate.
said, what is
I
the point
said,
of
what is the point
appreciating?
of appreciating?
He said that I
He said that
appreciate
I appreciate
that you have
that you have
or first copy of this. I said, first copy? What the bloody first copy is? He said, the fake copy. It's a fake copy. Yes, it's totally fake. In Delhi, there are an industry which creates first copy and second copy. And in most of the cases, in our website, which pieces of get, most of them are first copy or second copy. So here lies the difference. Discriminator is that sales boy. He understands the what is original and what is fake copy. That is the role of discriminator. And generator, that Carol Bagh's seller who generates the fake copy. So this generator and discriminator story is the story behind generative AI. Generative AI used to treat and used to create text, vector images and videos, not only text, image, video. And probably all of you are aware that there are so many fake videos and fake images are roaming around in our market. Whenever, so for everybody, whenever you get a sensational news in your WhatsApp, please go and check it. Otherwise, don't send it to 1001 friends, and within half an hour, you are going to get this bhai ei message ta patali tui. This is the language. Because you may be amazed that, sir, how can you say like this? Because my son is studying engineering in Jadavpur, and most of the time I see that he said like this, "Hi, এই মেসেজটা তুমি পাঠালি, fake message দেখবি না, তোকে ব্লক করে দেবো." So that's why I told you so many fake messages you will find. Now this today just talking about large language model which includes ChatGPT, Google and Claude. Basically, what ChatGPT used to do, any idea? ChatGPT কি করে? Any idea? Nobody has used ChatGPT? No, sorry, I know that you know. I want this students. You haven't used ChatGPT. Don't tell me so that you haven't used ChatGPT. Then I think that here internet connection has not come. What it works, what it does. বলো বলো, এইটা বলতেই হবে। ChatGPT সব প্রশ্নের সাথে বেসিক্যালি সুপার সুপার সার্চ ইঞ্জিন। ওর কাজ হচ্ছে ও যেই প্রশ্নটা পেলো সমস্ত ডেটাবেস থেকে কি ম্যাচ করালো, কি ম্যাচ করিয়ে তথ্যগুলোকে তুলে নিয়ে এসে সাজিয়ে গুছিয়ে দিল। দ্যাট ইজ দ্য জব। কিওয়ার্ড ম্যাপ, যেটা করেই গুগল এত বড় হলো। গুগল কি করে, কিওয়ার্ড ম্যাচ করায় করে তারপরে চ্যাট জিপিটিও তাই। বাট what is the beauty of the chat gpt? The beauty of the chat gpt is that chat gpt almost error free, plagiarism free. If you the chat gpt's material to any software which notes plagiarism, you will find that hardly any chances of causing 10% of plagiarism. So, clutter free, unplagiarized, good content you are going to get in ChatGPT. And for that matter, generative AI plays a very vital role. And expected to drive 7 trillion increase in global gross domestic product, 1.5% over 10 years, only because of this. The function of generative AI involves deep learning models, particularly generative adversarial network and variational autoencoders. These models are trained on extensive data sets, and slowly they have understood the question pattern. See, no matter how many times you train the data, understand that no matter how many times you train the data, say for example, you give data of white cat 1,000 times, and thereafter a cat, but the cat is black. It may happen that it may give you the wrong answer because data trained white cat, black cat, little bit confusion. So here different types of data, you have to train the data set with different types of data, with different colors, with different connotation, with different punctuation. This is not very easy task. This is not very big, and also natural language processing. This is the challenge. There lies the challenge. Here the generator and discriminator. Discriminator is another neural network evaluates whether a given input is real or fake. Generated. Fake means generated by the generator. Three important aspects: CX, customer experience, growth, and productivity. CX based on a hyper personalized content. That is most important. Then growth by leveraging top line performance, and then boost sales effectiveness on the basis of three generative AI right now so popular. It is not a theoretical subject only. It can be used and it is using everywhere. Data analysis and predictive modeling, already I have told that they take historical data to anticipate future trends and outcomes and enabling organization to address the potential change, potential challenge and potential trend. Data analysis, already I have told data analysis. Personalized content creation, I have already told, and that's why customized email or target chatbots, how chatbots work, targeted advertisement and recommended systems. It enhances the user experience, increases engagement, and driving force behind sales. Everything depends upon sales, it drives sales. Generative AI plays a huge role in healthcare. In healthcare, today's buzzword is how generative AI plays a role in healthcare. Till now, I was talking about marketing and sales. Now, generative AI in healthcare. That means improved patient care. Healthcare providers are responsible AI to improve market performance in healthcare, adapt AI-enabled customer relationship management system. The most important now today's world, that customers are very much annoyed with the hospitals and nursing homes. Yes or no? Because of behavior, misbehavior, inflated bill, and the medicines they used to give is the costliest. If you know or don't know, I don't know, but remember one thing, in Bangladesh also and in other parts of this world, doctors used to write medicines in generic name. Do you understand what is called generic name? Understand?
Generic name is basically the short name of the composition short name of the medicine.
And in India, doctors used to write in brand name. Here lies the beauty. And for that matter, lies the big business.
Profit as well.
See, Calpol. What is the ingredient of Calpol? Is paracetamol. Udiliv. What is the ingredient of Udiliv? Ursodeoxycholic acid. If you write ursodeoxycholic acid 150, you are going to get ursodeoxycholic acid 150 per strip 50 rupees or 60 rupees. Take my word, go to any shop while returning home, you believe 150, one strip cost 460 rupees. The same ursodeoxycholic acid. Rosuvastatin with fenofibrate, very famous. If you like rosuvastatin with fenofibrate, one strip cost 60 rupees. If you write Rosat F, it will be 230 rupees. Why? Why? There is a nexus between companies with doctors. So that's the most vital thing. So returning back to the topic, that AI plays a very vital role, and in many well-known nursing home in Kolkata is having sophisticated software, satisfaction, customers buying pattern, customer selling pattern, and negotiation with Mediclaim. Everything in a fingertips. Total summary will be come out. That is most important. Here plays generative AI a big role. Now, how AI plays, I mean to say generative AI plays a role in HR. HR means don't forget that here children are sitting with teachers. HR means কি হলো? হ্যাঁ, human resource. Sure. আমার তো মনে হার্ডলি রিকোয়ার্ড। দিনের শেষে এই লোকগুলোর কোনো কাজ থাকে না, ফোনটা তুলে বলে আপনার এই মাসের স্যালারিটা নিয়ে যান, আপনি আর সামনের মাস থেকে আসার দরকার নেই। সারাটা দিন ঘুরছে, কোনো কাজ নেই, শুধু কার চাকরিটা খাবে তাই নিয়ে ভাবছে আর কার মাইনেটা কমাবে। যাই হোক, অ্যাট দ্য এন্ড অফ দ্য দুঃখের কথা কি বলবো, তারাই আছে। তো এইচআরদের কাজ কি? রিক্রুট, রিটেঞ্চ, ট্রেনিং, এইটা মূলত ওদের কাজ। সো রিক্রুটমেন্ট, very rarely within 5 years you won't find any newspaper ad that we want to hire this. No. In place of that, software will works. How? There are most of the recruiters see your LinkedIn profile. In one occasion, I am telling you my life, beautiful example. For 3 posts, recruitment is going on, and myself went there as a 22nd candidate. For 3 posts, 22 candidates, and 700 applied. Upon seeing the advertisement, 700 applied, called up 22 people. Call time was 10 o'clock. I went there 10 minutes before 10 o'clock and found that 22 people with me, 22 people is waiting. And I got a call around 4:45 without having a glass of water, no matter lunch. And thereafter, till 5:30, grueling interview went, and it was like this. And I was sitting here, the lady is moving, I was sitting there, and 9 people are sitting here. And barrage of questions, one question after another, one question after another, one question after another, starting from computer to management. And always remember, when you are in this side, you are a chicken. On that side, you are a demon. In interview, because those who come to take interview, they think that, yeah, this is the day I am the world's most intelligent and the super person, and I have to grill the person. Then the challenge is like this. Myself asked a question, a difficult question. The next one thought, oh, he asked a very difficult question, I have to ask much more difficult question. Challenges goes on and on. Now the days are gone very, very soon, because generative AI matches the pattern. What is my recruitment? What is my requirement? And what is his or her profile? Just match. How many matches are there? As per my requirement, out of 10, 9 matches. So just give a phone call. So in that case, you need not to call 22 people. Only 5 people is enough. You need not to break your head from 10 o'clock to 5 o'clock. You need not to give 2 times lunch or dinner. Just give 1 cup of tea and 2 biscuits, and job is done. Because generative AI gave you the summary. These are the points matched with this candidate. 1 or 2 left. You just ask this question and negotiate the most vital HR job, that is salary. Bingo, done. So there plays the most important. And the next most coveted and awaited, those who are working. After working of 365 days, the day comes when everybody cross your finger and thought, what news will come? What news? Giving any butter to HR, because generative AI will play your role. It will give you the best appraisal available. So on the basis of that appraisal, you are going to get salary hike. Maybe it is 5,000, maybe it's 500, at least not minus 500. Next, preferred projects and event terminated. For IT guys, computer science guys, if your performance is good, from sector 5, you will be posted to Denmark and in Euro. Great, good dream. On contrary, if your performance is very poor, you are going to get a red letter that go to accounts, settle your bill with 3 months salary, and alvida. Yes or no? No need of going to HR. This profile matching, job matching will give you this idea. Then generative AI in HR, another job relevance, potential candidates, and making recommendations accordingly. When you are going to apply for job, there is a column, you should know that references or recommendations. So at least 2 recommendations or references you should mention from your teacher or from any very big shot from your area, because that will give you some little bit of leverage. Generative AI in education. As because 3-dimensional entities, audio, visual, media, video, everything, generative AI can generate. That's why in education, LLM plays a very big role right now. After Corona, we know what is called e-learning. So in case of e-learning, you will see that generative AI plays a very vital role. According to the choice, your module will be generative. So in education, AI plays a very vital role. And how many of you have heard the name Kolpit Dheerwala? Nobody. Kalpit Dheerwala is very famous in education industry, and he wrote a nice article, The Role of AI in Education and How to Cope It. Kalpit Dheerwala coaching center is very famous in India. Role of AI or generative AI in banking. In banking industry, cyber security fraud and different type of fraud and the pattern of spending habit of customers, matching the spending habits or income habits of customers, and thereafter giving loans in everywhere. Generative AI plays a very vital role in banking sector. Next, digital marketing. Digital marketing. Have you heard the name digital marketing? It's an umbrella term. Online marketing, e-marketing, e-business, all are under digital marketing. So day by day you will see the digital marketing, this field, and in fact you will see that in South India there are MBA courses specialization in digital marketing, and in engineering courses digital marketing has been included in the syllabus as a minor. So digital marketing plays a very vital role. And what is the role played by machine learning in digital marketing? Optimal performance, faster decision making, automatization of predictable activities like an advertising campaign in social media marketing. Have you ever seen advertising campaign in social media marketing? No. Do you have Facebook? Never you have seen any ad in Facebook? Last 3 years you haven't opened Facebook. For me, tons of advertisement. For you also, tons of advertisement. What not? You will find. Reducing error rates, digital assistant, and exploring areas unavailable to humans. These are the role of machine learning. And now, very interesting success stories of generative AI in digital marketing. The first name is Nike, and the concept is Nike by you. That means AI to create custom design sneakers through the Nike by you. You will generate customized shoe Nike by you. Unique design combination based on user preferences. And in near future, many companies are coming with this. Using generative AI, customer prefer on the basis of customer preference, you will customize your shoe online. Adobe, have you heard the name of Adobe? Adobe's marketing platform called Adobe Sensei. This is a fantastic concept to automate and optimize the creation of digital advertisement. For digital advertisement, Adobe Sensei. Then Spotify. What is Spotify? Any idea? Then, say for example, you like to hear a particular type of song. So, if you hear this type of songs few days, after few days, what you will expect from Spotify to send you? Answer is Spotify. Generative AI, some anticipated trends is hyper personalization that I have told. Enhance creativity, it will engage storytelling. It will tell you story as per your yes. So in everything, whatever you think behind this, AI plays a very vital role. Real-time adoption, strategies on the fly, ensuring relevance, targeting. Nowadays, So far as ticket booking in aircraft, it also, here also AI plays a very vital role. If you go Agartala regularly, after some time you will see that lowest discount rate in which days you are going to get this much of, they will push this type of ad to you. It is not very easy. So behind augmented reality, any idea? Augmented reality and virtual reality. Any idea? Anybody? Right now, most of the films based on augmented reality and virtual reality. Yes, and sometimes you will feel that the particular demon is going to touch you in a 3D, and with augmented reality and virtual reality, it will seem like that the knife may touch you. So these are the beauties of AR and VR. Co-creation with customers and marketers. Valencia Dencheva wrote a beautiful article, and where she showed that a survey in July 2022 in the United States found out that 33% of marketing professionals that were using artificial intelligence and machine learning tools in their marketing said that their leading benefit was the time save. Number one, time save. Number two, another 31% professionals working with AI and ML stated that same tools benefited their trend insight, audience preference or behavior, and 26% said that improve optimize content. So, this survey did by one researcher and the paper published in Elsevier, and it was based on that how AI and ML really worked on people and what are and what were the benefits. So it shows these are the benefits: content, improved content, time saving, money saving. Conclusion: machine learning and generative AI help marketers use data to make better decisions, improve campaign, understand customers. To use machine learning to solve tactical and strategic problems, you need to ensure the completeness of your data that I have told you. Completeness of your data. Thank you. So nice of you.
Sir, I have a sir, as you said, this ChatGPT is 99% almost reason free and something like that.
Small article, 99%.
So, what are the acceptance rate of various journals like ACI journals or Scopus journals to accept ChatGPT as their author, corresponding author?
I may not tell you, I must not tell you that to content of ChatGPT to Scopus Index Journal, because they are very smart enough. They just copy it and paste it to ChatGPT, and it will show that that has come from ChatGPT, because line by line the same answer will come out.
Nowadays, there is an extension applicability.
Yes, yes. So in
Then
case of
acceptability of ChatGPT in those journals or in that area is not.
in those journals who are not Scopus indexed or not index journal, a low caliber journal, you can give it, or for your daily purposes, any notes, any others, you can use it. But Scopus index journal or world famous journal, they are the double blindfold review. There you cannot cross.
Like if the product is ready for ChatGPT and use the paraphrasing tool to
Sir, sir, I knew that your answer will be like that, but I tell you that two plagiarism checker are very smart enough. They will give you, but I have seen that changing the paraphrase, and that too of copying it to Grammarly and changing the paraphrase, and that too of changing this paraphrase using generative AI. Correct. But they are smart enough because see, I am checking 10 papers which has been given to Scopus Index journal. While checking these 10 papers, I have found that if I copy few lines and send it to Google, automatically the total article they show, and I found that 90% copy. So there are five options: strongly accept, accept, borderline, reject, strongly reject. My job is easy, strongly reject. But I have seen few Russian papers, fantastic papers with a fantastic concept and almost no plagiarism. Okay. No, not finding the plagiarism. Mine case is I just on my own seeing this, but I do not have that licensed version of plagiarism software. What I give the initial report for finally they will check it through plagiarism software. Yeah, but initial reviewer checked five parameters. First, novelty of the concept. Second, timeliness of this topic. Third, literature review or reference works is up to the mark or not. Fourth, your results and comparative study of your results with other research works. And finally, references and your future trends. I mean to say, if you have done a work in 2024 and all of your references are 1999, then it is very doubtful.
Recent publications are being
Or you have written a paper of 20 pages and your references of 3 lines. These are the guideline I have done in many. This is the guideline given by Microsoft Conference Management Tool, CMT. That is, and right now I'm checking through CMT. There are many tools, time to time change, but CMT tools, five guideline. Finally, after my submission, they will just see the plagiarism. Had it been in less than 15% or 16%, then it's okay. Otherwise, they will rethink and recheck again. That's all for today. Huh? Thank you.